What is up, you guys? Stevie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to style the classic all-white sneaker. So if you guys have been watching me for quite some time now, you would know I'm just a really big fan of sporting kind of the more chunky, more bulkier shoes. I'm a very big fan of the dad shoe trend, so to speak. I know that a lot of you guys, you're not really feeling that, or not a lot of you guys are just down to try and wear those bulkier shoes. So in today's video, I definitely wanted to, just take things back and just kind of share with you guys how to style the ever so classic low top all white sneaker, featuring this sneakers from KOIO, who I'm partnering up with this video on. So more about them towards the end of the video. For today, I put together 3 outfits. These 3 looks right here are just kind of how I personally would style the, again, classic all white sneaker. I'm gonna run you guys through each outfit, kind of talk you guys through just my thought process when I put together these looks, where I would wear each outfit to, and all that good stuff. And because the low top all white sneaker is such a classic, towards the end of the video, I'm just gonna run you guys through just a quick review of the KOIO sneakers, kind of talk about sizing, just my personal thoughts on them. So with all that being said, definitely be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and towards the end of the video, be sure to drop me some love in the comments. And do me a favor, if you aren't already, follow me on Instagram for just more, like everyday vibes, more outfit photos, just more content all around. So definitely follow me on Instagram, just my name, I'll throw it up on the screen somewhere. How to style the classic low top all white sneaker featuring KOIO, 3 outfits, and then I'll see you guys back here for just a quick review / unboxing. So without further ado, sit back, get cozy, and let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so for my first outfit, I just kept it super simple. I decided to just go with kind of a summer going out type of look, something that can easily go from day to night. So starting off at the top, I just threw on this oversized white Oxford shirt that I picked up from the thrift store. And then for, again, just a nice summer vibe, I threw on some jeans from Everlane, and I actually cut the bottoms myself. And then as far as accessories go, I just kept it super simple with a ring and my tote bag from Everlane. Again, this outfit is just a perfect day to night look, something that you can get a lot of work done during the day, but you can also kind of put your work things away and then go out at night for, some drinks with some friends, some happy hour, or just like an early dinner or something. And then at the top, of course, we got on the hat that I have been living in this season. It is a hat from Jode Monsieur, and finished off the whole entire look with, again, the KOIO all white low top sneakers. It's one of these outfits that if you were to take each piece individually, it's probably things that you guys already have in your closet. And not to mention the combination of just the white hat with the white shirt and the white sneakers is just the perfect summer casual flex. Look number 2 is definitely the most simple of them all. Even though I said outfit number 1 was my favorite, I think outfit number 2 is kind of the more ideal, more just standard way in which I personally would sport the all white sneaker. We just got on a super simple navy blue tee from Everlane with just some basic black trousers from H&M. I personally really like wearing black and blue together. I feel like there's something about it that's just really smart. But with that being said, because I am just wearing super simple things such as the basic tee and the pants, I definitely wanted to dress up the look just a little bit. So I took my shirt into my pants, slapped on a belt from H&M, and then finished off the look with just a beanie from ASOS. And since Mans is always on his on the way vibes, I'm always out here just working or doing something, I need something to hold all of my daily essentials. So I grabbed my Balenciaga pouch for, again, just another nice outfit finisher / accessory. So because the outfit is so dark, I definitely wanted to have that nice pop with the KOIO sneakers, and again, the all white colorway. So if you guys have been watching me for quite some time now, you would know Mans is out here always promoting the oversized blazer. So for the third and last outfit, styling the KOIO sneakers, I threw on an oversized gray blazer that I picked up from the thrift store. And then underneath that, I just have a simple black t-shirt from Uniqlo. And I tucked those in to some really nice crop pants from Uniqlo as well. And because the outfit is so minimal and just kind of tonal, I definitely wanted to implement some color because, we're always out here trying to switch it up, always trying to do new things. That being said, I slapped on a navy blue cap that I picked up from Japan and finished off the look with my Jacquemus coin wallet. This outfit right here is definitely when I'm trying to be on my smart tip, when I'm going to a meeting or when I'm just trying to get some business done, or honestly, if I'm just going to a photo shoot or something. This third look right here is definitely the most dressy of them all. And I feel like if you're trying to, style the all-white sneaker just a little bit differently, because look number 1 and look number 2 is definitely more on some simple simple stuff, but look number 3 is kind of for more of the person who wants to just, you know, experiment a little bit more. Although look number 1 was my favorite, I would definitely recommend look number 3 if you're just trying to switch it up. Alright you guys, and that was that for the outfits. Definitely drop a comment down below and let me know which fit was your favorite. Like which one can you kind of see your own self sporting, because I'd love to know. So now getting into the actual review and just quick unboxing of the KOIO sneakers. This is what the shoes come in. This comes in a really nice standard cardboard box that says KOIO in the front. And then when you open it up, you're first greeted with just the KOIO box that the actual shoes come in. It's in this really nice kind of gray color and it just says KOIO obviously in the front. And then when you actually open that box, you get a really nice kind of folder like envelope thing that just has your receipt and it just says like a thank you note from the KOIO brand. And then another thing, you guys already know what it is, I'm a sucker for good packaging. The KOIO shoes do come with a travel dust bag, which is great. It's in this really nice just canvas tan material and it says KOIO right there, and it has drawstrings as well, so again great for travel. So underneath all of that is the actual shoes. So these are just what the KOIO shoes look like. Again, this is just their classic all white low top sneakers. So let's go ahead and take them out of the box and then I'll kind of just run you guys through some of my favorite things about these shoes right here. This is what the KOIO, again, classic all white low top sneakers look like. It's in this really nice just white leather with just a very minimal branding, and I think that's one of the biggest reasons why I like the KOIO sneakers so much. Just features a ton of really nice stitching throughout the shoe, just some standard laces, and then as far as logos go, it just has one on the tongue and their kind of symbol or like logo so to speak. And then for a more kind of prominent one, if you turn the shoe around, it just says KOIO in the front. And the reason why I like this a lot is because the KOIO logo is actually embossed, like it's stamped into the shoe. So instead of it being like a color like silver or gold, they just kept it very minimal and just very neutral with the stamping, which is something I really like. Because if I'm wearing an all white sneaker, I definitely don't want it to be doing too much, because in my opinion, the whole purpose of the all white sneaker is just for something to be super just classic, timeless, and simple and minimal. And these shoes from KOIO right here are definitely the epitome of that. As far as sizing goes, I did pick up a size 42, which I believe is a US size 9. Just for reference, for other shoes, I usually pick up size 9.5 in other shoes, so you can kind of take that information for what it is. But if you do go on the KOIO website, they do a really good job of kind of explaining to you how their sizing works. Usually a size 9.5, I picked this up in a size 42 Euro, which is a size 9 in US, so that's kind of that. Just some of the other things that I really like about this shoe, not only is, again, it's just in a really nice premium white leather, the stitching throughout is very nice and well done, and again, just with the minimal branding. But another cool feature with these shoes, inside of the shoe in the back of your heel, it actually features some really nice suede fabric, which is going to be perfect for, you know, when you're wearing low cut socks and you're on the go and you're out all day. These shoes are going to be perfect for just ensuring that your feet is going to stay cozy, it's going to be comfortable, and the super soft suede kind of rubbing against back of your heel won't hurt at all, versus, you know, other kind of leather shoes, they're just all leather, so you can imagine how sore that might be. Overall, just a super solid quality all white sneaker that I can't recommend enough. I personally have tried a handful of other all white sneakers, but there's just something about this one, in my opinion, that kind of just hits all the marks for me. Like I said, it's minimal, there's no colored situation going on with the branding or anything. Everything is just very streamlined, which is exactly how I like my all white sneakers to fit. The quality of the leather feels nice and sturdy, and the actual kind of just comfort level of these shoes do feel nice as well. I have some other sneakers that, you know, it's kind of one of those things that you have to actually break them in until they become comfortable, but these are kind of just comfortable right off the bat, which is something I really like. And as I mentioned in my intro, none of you guys can ever go wrong with just a classic all white low top sneaker. It's just an all year round staple. These ones right here from KOIO are just kind of the perfect epitome of, again, the all white sneaker. Alright you guys, and that is it for my how to style all white sneakers featuring the sneakers from KOIO. Big thanks once again to the team over at KOIO for sponsoring today's video and supporting my channel. If any of you guys are in the market for just some really good quality, classic, timeless, all white, low top sneakers, I would highly recommend checking out those ones right there. As you guys saw throughout the video, you can style all white sneakers pretty much any type of way. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's just that perfect all year round staple. KOIO definitely just hit all the marks in creating the perfect all-white sneaker. So if any of you guys are interested in checking them out and potentially purchasing them, I will be sure to leave links to everything mentioned in the description box down below. So definitely check that out if you're interested. Hopefully you guys kind of took some inspo away from today's video. Like I mentioned in my intro, I definitely just kind of wanted to bring you guys a video that was kind of honestly reminiscent of my older videos. I know a lot of you guys have been seeing me rocking again just more bulky and dad-like shoes, and I definitely want to showcase that, you know, mans can still, you know, put some looks together with some simple classic pieces such as the KOIO sneakers. So if you did draw some inspo from today's video and if you did like it, definitely be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, be sure to drop me some love in the comments down below. I feel like not a lot of you guys follow me on Instagram, and honestly, y'all missing out, fam. I'll be posting some gems over there, so definitely check that out. It's just my name at STEVIE. Throw it up on the screen again. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, links to everything in the description box down below, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.